Whether you're headed to a backyard barbecue or out on a trip to the beach, you've got to bring your favorite tunes with you to the great outdoors. And that is exactly what Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3 is designed to allow you to do. It's a rugged, waterproof speaker with excellent battery life that will allow you to bring your favorite music with you anywhere you go. Here is why it is one of our favorite outdoor speakers that you can buy right now. If you're familiar with the older Megaboom line, this thing will look very, very familiar to you. It's the same cylinder that Ultimate Ears is sort of known for, and it's coated in a similar sort of fabric to what you might have seen on earlier models. The difference being that this newer model is designed to be even more rugged than previous generations. The top and one strip along the back of the speaker are a great rubber material that's, again, designed to withstand impacts and be very rugged regardless of where you take it. The whole speaker actually floats, and it is IP67 rated, so it is designed to withstand dust and water, up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. Not that you'll need to, because like I said, this thing floats. And that makes it just something that when you take with you, you're never worried about it getting damaged. It can withstand pretty much anything you throw at it. So you'll get 20 hours of listening time out of the speaker, which is more than enough for any sort of weekend adventure. And this thing is super, super easy to use. All you do is download the Ultimate Ears Boom app, and then you just use the app to control the speaker via Bluetooth. You can also just use it as a normal Bluetooth speaker, pair to it with your phone without the app, and use your phone to play and pause music or adjust volume. There's also these two massive volume up and down buttons on the front of the speaker, and that makes it really easy for friends and family. You know, if things are getting too loud or they really want a dance party to start going on, you can just quickly press these buttons and they do exactly what you think they should do. So let's talk about volume. That's something people really care about when it comes to Bluetooth speakers. And this thing is exceptionally loud. There's nothing quite like having your favorite music with you if you're in the great outdoors, and this thing absolutely provided the sort of fidelity and volume that we were looking for when we were outside. It's got big, punchy bass, and it sounds great playing pop music, but it also will reproduce your favorite classic rock, your favorite jazz, acoustic music fairly well for a speaker its size. At $200 and with all these excellent features, this is really the kind of portable Bluetooth speaker we can get behind. It provides you with great quality sound, an extremely rugged feature set, and hours and hours and hours of battery life. And that makes it one of our favorite portable Bluetooth speakers that you can buy. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our review of this speaker. Be sure to comment below if you have any questions, and definitely check out the link to the full review as well. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube page for more awesome content like this.